After Rohan Philem's bringing out the truth before the Christian communities of Kolkata, Chennai, Trivandrum, Goa regarding misuse of funds by Kuki militants in buying arms and ammunitions which were donated by church communities, a ban has been imposed on Rohan Philem on holding seminars and press meets in Christian-dominated areas. However, amidst the ban, Rohan Philem, in his continuous effort of bringing out the truth to the church communities in India, has successfully conducted a press conference cum seminar at Kochi city of Kerala. Active support in organizing the press conference cum seminar was extended by Christian Association and Alliance for Social Action based in Kerala. Rohan Philem expressed that though the ban on his holding of press meets and seminar has not been directly made by the Kuki people, their involvement in imposing the ban is certain, he expressed. During the press conference, he also expressed that the current situation in Manipur is a result of numerous issues arising out of drugs, narco-terrorism, homeland, reserve forest issues, and infiltration of illegal immigrants. While answering to a query with regard to the incident of two Kuki women being paraded naked, Rohan Philem expressed that the incident was highly condemned by all Meitei people. However, none from the Kuki community has condemned or raised voice against the brutal murder of Linthungambi and Hamanjit, highlighting the difference in the mentality of the Kuki people and the Meitei people.
Around 200 Meitei Christian houses were also vandalized by the Kukis. So how can, when a majority of the Christian community have attacked the minority of another Meitei Christian community, you can't just term this as a religious clash itself. And in the meantime, the Kukis have also vandalized a long list of shrines and mandirs which belong to the Meitei Hindus and the Meitei Sanamayas. So it's around like 393 mandirs, was even more higher than this church's number. So it's a very clear thing that it was a fight between the two communities. Now people have started terming this from different background as indigenous and a non-indigenous fight also. And we have no justification or whatever had happened from both the communities, but I believe that peace is the need of the hour. This is almost like a multiple time of press conference and press release that I have ever given. And I would request our Kuki brothers and sisters, if you truly believe that there can be peace happening very soon, and we are also inviting with a free hand that we can sit and talk and sort out what can be the best instead of by avoiding all these wars and crimes which happen.